During solution of this problem, I will explain how to find determinant of a matrix. Determinant of matrix A, determinant of matrix B. I will also explain how to find determinant of product of matrices. Determinant of this product, determinant of this product. Given in the question that A is equal to this matrix, therefore determinant of A denoted by this will be equal to, we remove this bracket and draw two vertical line for determinant. Now we will expand this determinant. Multiply this element with this element. Then we write minus sign. Now we multiply this element with this element. And we get determinant of A is equal to 3. Given in the question is B is equal to this matrix. Therefore, determinant of B will be this. When we expand this determinant, 1 times 1 minus 1 times 0, we get 1. Since A is this matrix, therefore, transpose of A denoted by AT, transpose of this matrix will be, we write first row in place of first column. Root 2 1 in first row, here we write root 2 1 in first column. Root 2 1. Second row will be written in place of second column. Minus 1 root 2, minus 1 root 2. Therefore, determinant of this matrix means determinant of AT. Determinant of AT will be equal to root 2 minus 1, 1 root 2. This will be equal to root 2 times root 2, 2 minus 1 times minus 1, minus 1. That is equal to 3. It is given in the question that C is equal to AB, AT. Therefore, determinant of C will be equal to determinant of product of these three matrices. To find determinant of product of three matrices or 4 matrices or 5 matrices, we find determinant of each matrix and multiply them. By using this formula, we can write determinant of A, determinant of B times determinant of AT. And value of determinant of A, determinant of B, determinant of AT is here. When we put those values here, we get determinant of C is equal to 9. It is given in the question that matrix X is equal to A C square AT. Therefore, determinant of matrix X will be equal to determinant of this product. Here is product of 3 matrices A, C square and AT. This will be equal to determinant of A, determinant of C square, determinant of AT, A transpose, by using this formula. Now, this is formula, determinant of C to the power n. Determinant of C to the power n is equal to power n of determinant of C. By using this formula, we can write this determinant of C square as a square of determinant of C. Now value of determinant of A from here, value of determinant of C from here, and value of determinant of AT from here. After multiplication we get 729.